Alright, this is Edu Pineda and welcome in this video training. Okay, this is a software training related to the Z3x Pro. So on this video training, I will teach you how to install the Z3x Pro on your Windows 7 32-bit. Okay, so first, okay, is you'll need to have the Z3x shell. So on your screen, this is the Z3x shell. This is where you can find all the latest software update or setup of your Z3x Pro, and this is where you can find all the latest firmware that you'll need if you're going to reprogram the Samsung cell phones, okay, or the smartphones, okay. So first you have to get this one, and all you have to do is to go to your browser and type the Z3x Pro support. Okay, and then you will be given a lot of website to choose. Okay, then all you have to do is to click the Z3x um, official support website. Okay, so let us wait a little longer. My internet is very slow, so I will click this one, the support files, and now we will be redirected. So all I have to do is to click this download shell, and then you'll be able, the browser will download the software for you. Okay, so I have downloaded it already, so it is in my downloads. Okay, now next is to install the shell and the driver. So right click it, then run as administrator. You have, don't forget to do this, because if you just run it, okay, later on this installation you will not be able to install the driver. Okay, so don't forget to do this, run as administrator. This is very important. Okay, then run it, then click OK, next, 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 install. Okay, the software will do the installation. Okay, then click next, and as you can see here, these are all the driver, and the software will install it for you. This is what I'm telling you right off the bat, that you will need to run it as administrator. If you did not do that, the software will not have the capability to install the driver. Okay, so and you will have to install it on your own, okay, manually. So that is the importance of what I've told you before. So just click finish, and then you will be given this, okay, instruction here, and this is the what we call the Z3x shell. So this is where all the primers, the drivers, okay, and the latest setup, okay, for your Z3x Pro box, okay. As you can see here, we have the Samsung box, LG box, ACJ tag. These are the software if your box is activated using this one, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, let's install the driver. So as you can see here, is Z3x box installation and registration procedure. Installation, connect box to PC. It's the driver, you can find the driver at the box driver, card driver, JTAG, and so on and so forth. So I will show you, and now I will connect the Z3x Pro in our PCK. So it is included in the package, okay, if you bought the Z3x Box Pro. So as you can see, the computer now is detecting our box, okay, and all I have to do now is redirect the software to locate the driver for this box, or the Windows 7 will install the driver for me. So let's wait and see if that is what will happen here. So as you can see, the Windows 7 is installing the driver for me. It is not asking where the driver is located. So if you are doing this, or if you are familiar with installing uh, the driver, okay, most of the time it will ask for the location of the device driver. Okay, so let's just wait for it to finish. Okay, and to know if you have installed the driver, just click the start button, then go to my computer, right click, then go to the properties, and from here you can go to the device manager. In this section of your PC, you will see all the drivers that is installed on your PC. Okay, as you can see, the computer is installing all the drivers, and it's still reading all the necessary drivers for the box to work. Okay, so there is the Z3x box, EMB smart card reader. Okay, so the the Windows 7 is still searching for the driver. Okay, let us wait a little bit until it has installed all the necessary drivers. And if it does not found the driver, you will need to give the exact location where this computer will find the driver for your box. Okay, let's wait a little longer here. As you can see here, the computer didn't found the Z3X box driver. So what you can do here is just to right click this one, then click update device driver, browse my computer, then click browse, then you can now go to uh, the C program files, then now you can go to the Z3X. Okay, now go to the box driver. Okay, you just click the box driver, okay, folder. Okay, then just click next and wait until the driver is installed. So, okay, as you can see, I am installing now the C3X box driver. So just click install this driver anyway. Okay, so this is the process that you will have to do every time you are going to install your gadgets on your PC. Okay, especially if you have just reprogram your computer and all the softwares you have installed are gone, and then you'll need to install the box, okay, and the drivers for it or for you to be able to use the box. Okay, so as you can see, okay, the computer is still looking for the smart card reader. So as you can see, it is already installing the driver software, the the okay, it's ready to use smart card. Okay, so what I did here is I help the computer to locate the box driver, because it tells us that it didn't find the driver. So it the computer already installed the smart card reader, and now it is searching for other driver. Okay, So from here you can see I have installed the Z3X USB serial converter. So that is our Z3X box driver. Okay. As you can see here, the Z3X box was gone already, meaning we have installed the driver for that already. And let us wait for some other drivers to be installed. Okay. So while waiting, I'll explain to you what is the driver. Okay. So driver is a piece of software that you will need to install for you to be able to use the hardware that you are connecting to your PC. For example, like this one, we are going to use the Z3 Xbox. For it to be able to work, the hardware, okay, and be able to detected by the computer, you will need to install the corresponding driver for it. And so that is what we call the driver. So another example, if you have freshly reformat and installed the your computer, okay, sometimes if you are using an old PC, Windows XP, the video card, okay, or the video driver and the sound driver was not installed. So you will, for you to be able to play music and listen to the sounds, you will need to install the driver for the sound card. Sound card is the hardware. Okay, for so that the computer will detect your sound card, you will need to install the sound device driver. So that is what we call device driver or the driver. So as you can see here, the computer didn't found the smart card. So all I have to do is to help the computer to locate it. Okay. Now let us continue with the device manager. So the device manager, this is where you will find all the drivers that was not installed yet. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Okay. So smart card, all I have to do is update device driver, browse my computer, okay, then click browse, and you can now to go to the program files. Okay, let's do the card driver. Okay, uh-huh. FTK 32. Let's see if this will work. Okay, so it doesn't. So all you have to do is just locate the right driver, so, for it to be installed. Okay, one by one you will need to do that. So let's do the J tag. Okay, we have the 80, the x86 is corresponding to the 32-bit. Okay, okay, then click next. No, not not that one. Okay, let's do the reader's driver at mail reader. Let's try this one. Nope, not not that one. You will have to do this again and again until you get the right driver for it to work or for it to be installed. Okay. Okay. Um. So as for me, I didn't record, okay, where I could find the driver for this. So I just do that. Okay. multiple times until I found the correct driver for that. Okay, so I will leave this first and I will go first for this one USB serial. I just install this driver anyway. And wait until it is finished. Okay, so while waiting I will go now to the directory where the Z3x Pro was installed. Okay, Z3x Pro, Z3x, then I will go to the drivers. Okay, I would like to know where is the smart card driver is located. Okay, okay, so I have installed the Z3x box, okay, driver. Now what is left is the smart card for the Z3x Pro, so I'll need to find the driver for this one. Okay, okay, browse Z3x Pro, okay, JTAG drivers. Okay, let's see. Okay, so all I have to do is to redirect the Windows 7 that the smart card driver for the Z3x Pro is located in the directory of the JTAG driver. Okay, so wait until the driver is installed, and right after this we are now ready to install the setup for the Z3x Pro. Okay, and I will stop this video and I will teach you on the next video how to download the the main software for your Z3X Box Pro. Okay, so let's wait until this installation is finished. Okay, so it will take you some time. Okay, maybe it depends on the specification of your PC. So right now I'm using a dual core PC and a 700 plus megabytes MB of memory. So that is generic smart card. Okay, as you can see here, I have installed the generic smart card. So what is left now that was not yet installed is the driver for the Ethernet. This is the device driver for me to be able to use my LAN card. Okay, if you are familiar with LAN card. Okay, and this is SM bus controller. This is the device driver that was not yet installed for my motherboard. Okay, so I'm not teaching you this because this is not what I want to teach you. I want to teach you how to install the shell and the box driver for the Z3X Pro. Okay, so that's all for now in this video training. I'll see you on our next video training. Okay, thanks, bye.